everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic of the day is Research Symposium at India AI Impact Summit draws the world's AI minds. The Research Symposium on AI and its impact being organized as a part of the India AI Impact Summit 2026 has received a strong response from both the national and the global research community with 250 plus submissions. Designed to bring AI research closer to real world decision making, the symposium will serve as a bridge between research, policy, and practice and bring together diverse perspectives from India and abroad. Scheduled to be held on February 18, 2026 at Bharat Mandapam, it will feature 30 selected posters under the Global South poster track. 15 from the India Forum Showcase and 15 under the Student Showcase. The symposium has been conceived as an interdisciplinary forum bringing together leading researchers and practitioners from India, the Global South, and the wider international community to present frontier work on the impact of AI, exchange methods and evidence, and forge collaborations. They will engage on key areas such as human capital, inclusion, safety, and trust, resilience, innovation, science, and the use of AI for economic growth and social good. The symposium will broadly feature plenary keynotes and research dialogues, international research panels, and Global South research and posters showcase. The plenary sessions will have thought provoking keynotes, fireside chats, and dialogues with eminent Indian and international researchers, featuring in depth discussion on the transformative potential of AI, exploring theoretical foundations, practical applications, and societal implications. The international research panels will have short, focused presentations by global research leaders highlighting groundbreaking AI innovations. This track provides a platform for sharing cutting edge methodologies, novel algorithms, and breakthrough applications from premier institutions worldwide. During the Global South Research and Posters Showcase, there will be a vibrant showcase of research posters by students and collaborative teams from the Global South. This track celebrates emerging talent, fostering mentorship opportunities, and highlighting innovative solutions to regional and global challenges. The symposium is expected to lead to clear and implementable outcomes, stronger collaboration between research institutes and decision makers, and better use of research to support responsible AI adoption. So the next topic for the day is VOC Port Authority becomes India's first port to initiate anti-drone security system. In a landmark step towards strengthening maritime and coastal security, VO Chidambaranar Port Authority has become the first port in India to initiate the implementation of an advanced anti-drone system, marking a significant milestone in the protection of critical port infrastructure. The project involves the deployment of the comprehensive integrated radio frequency and radar based drone detection and jamming system specifically tailored for complex port environments, providing 360-degree coverage and omnidirectional hearing. The drone detector, drone detection radar, and man-pack jammer together form a comprehensive security system providing omnidirectional coverage with an effective range of up to 5 km. Designed for quick deployment and system enhances security in sensitive operational areas and represents a significant advancement in indigenous electronic countermeasure capability. The system enables real-time detection, tracking, classification and neutralization of unauthorized drones, thereby safeguarding strategic assets, personnel and port operations. The agreement for the project was formally signed by Mr. A. Ganesan, Chief Mechanical Engineer, VO Chidambaranar Port Authority, and Mr. Anurag Agarwal on behalf of Central Electronics Limited, a Government of India enterprise under the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology, in the presence of Shri Sushanta Kumar Purohit, IRSEE Chairperson, and Deputy Chairperson Sri Ganesh Soundararajan IAS VOC Port Authority. The project is scheduled to be completed within the next 3 months, aligned with the Amrit Kal Vision 2047 and the Maritime India Vision MIV 2030, led by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. The initiative aims to strengthen national safety and maritime resilience by enhancing airspace surveillance, ensuring compliance with emerging coastal defense norms, and improving emergency response preparedness at the port. This pioneering initiative underscores the VOC Port Authority's commitment to adopting next generation security technologies and strengthening national maritime security. Upon implementation, the anti-drone system will significantly enhance the port's operational resilience and position VOC port as a benchmark for security innovation across Indian ports. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.